naman tayo patungo sa dulo. Lahat ng hamon ng taon ating sinalo. Sa huling oras o sandali, hindi naging madali ang daan patungo sa pagwawagi. Kung mundo may tayo'y tanggi, punong sigaw ng
Congratulations! You are now official senior high school graduates.
Ilang beses nang nalulunod, lagi ka lang.
My CAIT core memory. Wow, there's a lot to pick from. Probably mine would be Agrikasan.
Doon po talaga para nag-build ng community po yung all of the sections, grade 11 and 12. And honestly, it's very fun kasi nakikita mo yung collaborativeness ng mga students together.
Hindi ka mag-iisa, sabay tayong aangat at abutin ang pangarap. Padayon.
Don't let fear quell your capacity to dream.
Huwag matakot sa pagbabago.
Core memory ko po as a CIT senior high school student is Stellar Sorry. Kasi we really get to perform with our hearts talaga po.
Padayon. Marami ka pang makakamit. Huwag susuko, tayo'y magpupunyagi.
And of course now, graduation day po namin, very remarkable. Kasi ito na yung award namin sa lahat ng paghihirap na ginawa namin all throughout the years.
Abutin ang pangarap.